Hello my friends, MABO is back.
El Marbella.
And today we're not painting. Surprise, surprise, we're baking. And because Christmas is near, we're gonna do an all-time favorite. Coconut macaroons.
Macarones de coco.
That's right. And there's so many different recipes out there. I will show you the easiest there is. Okay?
En delicioso.
That's right. All you need is 4 egg whites. Save the egg yolks for your omelette. 200 gram sugar. 250 gram of coconut flakes. And 1 package vanilla sugar.
Vamos a necesitar para esta receta 4 huevos, 200 gramos de azúcar, un paquete de vainilla de azúcar y 250 gramos de coco rallado.
All you need is a mixer or a handheld mixer or a little handheld electrical mixer and a piping bag. I have a little canvas bag, but you can use the one-way plastic ones. That's right.
¿Listos para empezar?
So we're gonna have 4 eggs, and that's a little handy scraper we can use later. So we're gonna divide those eggs and just use the egg whites.
Vamos a necesitar 4 huevos a temperatura ambiente. Se pueden sacar una noche antes del refrigerador y se van a separar las yemas de las claras.
That's how it has to be. So, the next thing we do is, now I'm not sure if my bowl is too small. I used that same bowl the other day. We're just gonna have to do it carefully. If you have a larger bowl, it would be better. So we fold in the coconut flakes. I let my assistant help me.
Le agregamos poco a poco el coco rallado. Que se vaya mezclando con el merengue que tenemos.
Okay, now we preheat the oven to 140 to 150, somewhere in there. Macaroons, at least this recipe, don't really get baked, they get dried.
Preparamos el horno a 140 centígrados o 250 Fahrenheit.
Okay, so I melted some chocolate and it shouldn't be too hot, so we're gonna cool it down with some additional pieces. Now I use dark chocolate, you can use any kind of chocolate. I wouldn't use white chocolate, you want to have a little bit color contrast. You can use milk chocolate or the dark one. I like the dark chocolate. You can use the, if you don't like it too dark, you can use the 40% cocoa or the 70% cocoa. As you know, dark chocolate is good for you, so you should have plenty of it. So this is the first tray came out of the oven. Like I said, it was exactly 30 minutes. This is where my honey bunny had a little bite. So that's hers. And so we can start actually coating the bottom with some chocolate while the other ones are still baking. We have a small oven, so we have to bake tray by tray, so we don't have large enough capacity to have 2 trays at once. So anyway, the easiest way is just put a little bit of chocolate, spread it around, and then just press it onto the wax paper, and then you get a nice flat surface. Okay, my friends, all what's left to do is to store them in a tin can, because if we leave them outside on a beautiful platter like this, we're just gonna eat them.
Después de hacerlas 2 o 3 veces ya están listas, ya el chocolate se secó, y a guardarlas para no comérnoslas todas y solamente para ocasiones especiales. Están deliciosas, así que con moderación, y nos vemos en el próximo video.
Bye bye, see you soon.
Adiós.